Right, so I'm going to show you how to set up an eSIM on your OnePlus 15. Now, this is very simple, and most of the time, setting up an eSIM involves scanning a QR code sent to you by your service provider. So this code could have been sent via email or via a physical card like this one. Now, for me, it's a physical card, and you can see the QR code right underneath there, and that's what I'm going to scan to set up my eSIM. So go to Settings, and then under Settings, you want to go to Mobile Network, tap on that, and then under Mobile Network, scroll down and find eSIM. Tap on that, and then you need to first of all enable the eSIM feature. Now, once eSIM is enabled, you can go ahead and tap on Add eSIM, and then tap on either Set up an eSIM, or if you have a phone nearby with the eSIM you want, you can select Transfer SIM from another device. Now, this is sometimes restricted by different carriers, so if yours allows it, go ahead. But for most people, that's going to be Set up eSIM, and then it's going to check for network. Now, you do need to have internet connection on your phone so that you're able to download the eSIM. Now, it opens up the camera, so now I need to scan this eSIM. Of course, I'm going to do that off camera. And once you scan, it's going to check the eSIM, and as you can see, it has detected my eSIM from my provider. So what you need to do now is tap on Setup. So now it's setting up the eSIM by downloading the necessary files from the internet. And that's why I said you do need internet connection to set up an eSIM. So this may take a few minutes, so just wait. And once it's done, it will ask you to activate the eSIM in the settings. So now go to Settings, and you should see we have one physical SIM card, and the eSIM is here. So it's disabled by default. You can tap on the three dots and then tap on Enable and confirm you want to enable that eSIM. So if it has a pin, it's going to ask for that pin. Just give it that pin, and that's going to unlock that eSIM. Now it's enabled, and you should see now we have two network bars at the top there. Both SIM cards are now active. You can even see I'm getting messages already. So that's how to set up an eSIM on your OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.